on, baby.
But honey, this isn't food. This is
Baby, yes it is. Look at this. I got chewy bars. Baby, I know you love chewy bars. When you were having the kids, all you wanted was chewy bars, chewy bars. Raise your voice to your mother.
water.
Shh, baby. Get in this corner. Now you stay there.
Alright, plant that. Isabella, you need to go and clean out the shack over there after you're done eating.
She bit me!
Good job, sis.
Get your damn child! Dad, throw that out.
Ariana. What? Honey, stop filling up on junkie now. Hi, Mommy. I was stabbed.
Children!
I was stabbed.
Children!
Stop. Now, Ariana, please sit down.
Ariana, sit down.
You knock it off, you little brat.
And what's your name again? Because I forgot.
Isabella.
Isabella! Oh, Bella, Isabella.
Bed right
Did you
now.
just call me
Bye.
gay? Go to bed.
You need to go over there to bed right now.
Yeah, you better
Go.
get on that patch of grass.
Good.
Hook you up to it.
Rather be there. You know what? You're grounded in that room for 2 weeks.
Go
You know what?
right now. Don't be talking back.
I just did. Go get her, Waffle Ken.
Yeah, that's right, babe. Get your ass.
Brad, okay, ew. Grass is so nasty. Ew. Come here. Get out of here. Come here. Come here.
Oh, my baby.
Here, deal with your daughter.
My daughter, whose idea was it to adopt someone?
I don't.
Baby, don't do this to me. Baby, come back.
Look,
You
I
can
ain't-
blame it all on me. Baby, come back. Woo! China.
Sure you didn't
Yeah,
do it?
we went there. Oh my God, yeah. So,
Now, get out.
Get the step in.
Honey, Ariana is the best thing that's okay.
I
I
know,
don't care
baby.
what
I know.
he said.
I know, baby.
I don't care. Could you go away? I don't
It's okay. It's just come into me.
You're running away. Come here.
You're supposed to be a guy.